Hello viewers, are you experiencing WhatsApp restore backup something went wrong? Could not restore backup error problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, swipe down notification bar and then turn on flight mode for few seconds. After few seconds, turn off flight mode. After turn off flight mode, go to Play Store and then click on search bar. Now search for WhatsApp. From here, update your WhatsApp in latest version. After completing update process, now find WhatsApp and then long press on WhatsApp. Click on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Clear cache your WhatsApp storage. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your device. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.